Sanibonani. Ngiyizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ulazi iqiniso. This is the Stellenbosch Mafia. Naba abantu abaphethe iSouth Africa. And ma ukuthi unasi isikhathi, let me show you ukuthi why ngithi labantu yibo abaphethe iSouth Africa. We have uJohan Rupert. Umnotho wakhe ubalelwa ku190 billion rands. Izinto ayicontrolayo zibalelwa go Mediclinic, zibalelwa go RCL Foods. Ucontroller through icompany yakhe iRemgro. He also owns another company ekuthiwa eRichmond econtroller wonke ama-luxury brands ala eSouth Africa. We have uChristo Wesa, inkosi yeze-retail. He owns iShoprite. He owns iPepco. Uye osuku uyomnika imali ekupheleni kwenyanga mawuyethenga ukudla. And if one day decide ukuthi no, ngiyayivala itolo zami, iSouth Africa ingafalla apart. We have uMitchell Leroux, i-founder yeCapitec. Uyena umuntu ophethe imali zenu. Uyena umuntu enimkweleta imali mawukuthi uhambile wayothatha iloan ebank. This guy controls banking industry for over 16 million South Africans. We have uJenny Mountain, i-founder ye-PSG Group, i-founder yesikole iKaru School, isikole esakhiwela ukuthi kufunde izingane zeGwili, izingane zabantu abarich. Laba ama-puppets. Ayikho into ekuthiwa i-president la eSouth Africa asinayo, sinama-puppets acontrolwa iStellenbosch Mafia. iStellenbosch Mafia ishaya umthetho kulelizwe lase-Republic of South Africa. iStellenbosch Mafia i-owner u-80% of i-agriculture yala eSouth Africa. Mawulima uhambe uyovuna yonke leyo nto, yonke i-profits eyabo understand i-banking system. iSouth Africa ikweleta iStellenbosch Mafia imali. Imagine i-country ikwelete abantu imali. And the interest engimele sikhokhe is u40%. Hambanye ukuglisha lento, why ngayazi lento lena? Why ngayazi lento lena? iStellenbosch Mafia idonate imali engango 2 billion every 10 years to politics. So they have abantu on inside labo. Over 80% of commercial farming is controlled by isingisi. Lalela. La eSouth Africa siyatshala, sivune, ithathwe leyo nto iyogaywa